Here's how to log into ChatGPT without phone number. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to open your Chrome browser. Once you are logged into your Chrome browser, now here in the search bar you have to search for the chatgpt.openai.com. After that, I'm gonna click on the first link at the top. And once I click on it, now it will take me to this interface here. Here I'm gonna click on the try on web option, and once I click on it, then it will take me to the sign in page. But as you see that it didn't take me to the sign up page as I already logged into this account. But if you are creating a ChatGPT account for the very first time, then you will see this option. After clicking on the sign up button, then you have to click on your email address by which you want to log into your ChatGPT account. Then an interface will appear where you have to enter your phone number. If you don't want to enter your phone number, you have to go back and open your Play Store app. Then here in the search box, I'm gonna type in get another number. Now you have to choose any of this app and download on your mobile phone, and after downloading you have to open it. After creating an account at one of these apps, it will assign you a number that you can use to log into your ChatGPT account. Then ChatGPT will send you a verification code. You have to copy and paste the code at the interface, and once you copy and paste the code, now you can enjoy ChatGPT. So this is how you can use ChatGPT without actually giving your phone number.